Welcome back to New Car Updates, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world, and today we have something so extraordinary that it redefines the way you think about travel, luxury and comfort. Imagine stepping inside a motorhome that feels more like a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. The 2026 Kenworth T3000 Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a moving palace designed to give you the ultimate blend of style, technology and convenience, and we are going to take you inside to explore every feature that makes this masterpiece stand out. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 Kenworth T3000 Motorhome, you can instantly tell that this is not your average RV. The sleek aerodynamic design, the bold front fascia and the commanding road presence make it look more like a futuristic luxury liner than a traditional truck. This motorhome takes the strong reputation of Kenworth's engineering and combines it with the unmatched elegance of a premium hotel, and the result is simply breathtaking. Whether you are parked at a scenic mountain view or cruising down the highway, this vehicle makes a statement of class, power and extravagance. Step inside and the transformation is immediate. You are greeted with interiors that rival the finest luxury suites in the world. Soft touch leather seating, polished wood accents and ambient LED lighting create a warm and welcoming atmosphere that feels far from the road and more like a presidential suite. Every corner is designed with comfort in mind, from the spacious living area to the fully equipped kitchen. The Kenworth T3000 makes sure you never compromise on lifestyle even when you are thousands of miles away from home. One of the standout features is the living room area with large reclining sofas, a high-definition entertainment system and even a fireplace option to bring a cozy home-like touch. This is not just a space to sit but a space to live, entertain and relax with your family and friends. You can enjoy a full cinematic experience on the built-in smart television or simply sink into the soft couches and watch the world go by through the panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Moving further inside, the kitchen is a dream for anyone who loves cooking on the road. Equipped with modern appliances, a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven and even a wine chiller, it makes preparing meals not only possible but enjoyable. Countertops are finished in high-quality stone materials and the smart storage design ensures that you can carry everything you need without clutter. This motorhome allows you to cook just like you would in a 5-star hotel kitchen. Now let's talk about the bedroom, which is truly the heart of this motorhome. The Kenworth T3000 offers a king-size bed with premium bedding and memory foam mattresses, ensuring that every night feels like sleeping in the finest luxury resort. The lighting is adjustable, the climate control system adapts to your personal comfort, and there are even smart storage solutions built right into the walls to keep the room elegant and uncluttered. You can wake up to incredible views thanks to wide glass windows, making every sunrise and sunset part of your travel experience. The bathroom facilities also push the limits of what you expect from a motorhome. Imagine walking into a spa-like environment with a rainfall shower, marble-styled finishes and heated floors. Yes, this motorhome has it all. The sense of luxury extends to every detail with soft lighting, touchscreen controls and enough space to move around freely, making it feel far from a compromise and more like a 5-star wellness retreat. Technology in the 2026 Kenworth T3000 is cutting edge with smart home integration that allows you to control lighting, temperature, security and entertainment right from your smartphone or voice assistant. Everything is connected and designed for ease of use, ensuring that no matter where you are parked, you have full control of your environment. Safety systems are also top of the line with advanced driver assistance features, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control and multiple cameras to give you a complete view of your surroundings. What makes this motorhome truly incredible is not only the luxury but also the practicality. It is built on a powerful and efficient Kenworth platform, meaning it can handle long-distance travel, rough terrains and heavy loads with ease. The balance between durability and luxury is what sets this model apart from others. You do not just travel, you travel in comfort with confidence and style, knowing that this motorhome was designed for real adventures and long journeys. For families, adventurers or even professionals who want to live and work on the go, the Kenworth T3000 Motorhome is the perfect answer. It offers private office spaces, optional Wi-Fi, satellite connections and enough charging ports for all your gadgets. It is not just a place to sleep but a place to live, work, relax and explore without limits. As we wrap up our introduction to the 2026 Kenworth T3000 Motorhome, one thing becomes clear: this is not just about owning a vehicle, it is about owning an experience, a lifestyle and a dream. It takes the idea of a motorhome beyond simple travel and transforms it into a luxurious moving sanctuary. Whether you are looking for adventure across the country or simply want the comfort of a rolling 5-star hotel, the T3000 delivers it all with unmatched class and precision. So stay tuned to new car updates because we will continue to bring you closer to the most innovative and luxurious vehicles on the planet, from supercars to futuristic trucks to breathtaking motorhomes like the Kenworth T3000. If you love cars that push the boundaries of design, technology and lifestyle, then you are in the right place. This is more than just a motorhome, it is the future of travel, comfort and elegance on wheels.